trigonometric ratios, some values what is given 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Today, so one more example I am giving you on the basis of this combining two, like a sine A minus B is 1 by 2, which is given in the book. Sine A minus B is equal to half and cos A plus B is equal to half. It is given. Where A plus B and A minus B are acute angle, it is given in the book. You can see. So, find A and B. A and minus B and A plus B together is a acute angle. Sin A minus B is half. Now, solution, how will you do? Sin A minus B is half given. So, for what value of half, sin will be, for what value of angle, that you write, sin A minus B is equal to sin 30 degree. Therefore, comparing both the sides, you will get equation 1. Same condition you apply here. Cos A plus B is equal to half, then cos A plus B is equal to cos 60 degree. From the table you will find out for which value of half it is, for which value of theta it is a half. For 60 degree, it is in the table given. Compare both the sides, but don't cut it. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. You take it as a two linear equations in two variables. Both you solve by a method of elimination. By first and second, you are getting A minus B, A plus B is equal to 30 and 60. Add. 2A is equal to 90, then what is the A? 90 by 2, this will be cancelled, 45 degree. By first equation, what will you get? By first equation, A minus B is equal to 30 degrees, so put the value 45 degree. 45 minus B is equal to 30 degree. So minus B is equal to 30 minus 45. What are you getting? Minus B is minus 15. So what is the B? 15 degree. You are getting the two answers. One is 45 degree and one is 15 degree. So like this, any other values given, here tan given, here cot given, here sec given, cosec given, then also you can solve the question. Exercise, you will see the exercise 8.2. Question number 1 given, find the values which I have given in the previous. Find the value of this. In the exercise it is given. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30. First question, first part, sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Very simple. What will you do? Sin 60 and cos 30 values you write down. From where you will write this value? From the table. You can make the table any place. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is sin 30, then cos 60. Same thing, you will get again 1 by 2. What are you getting? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 gives you 3 plus 1 by 4 and 4 upon 4 gives you 1. Second part of this question is given. Second part, 2 tan square 45. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. This 2 tan square 45, what will you do? 2 into tan square 45 means 1 square plus cos square 30 root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 again root 3 by 2 whole square. Square will be outside 30 and 60 by root. 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Then what are you getting? These two will be cancelled. Your answer is 2. Third part you will get cos 45 degree. It is given cos 45 degree upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. Sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. What is the cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30. Sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. If you don't remember, then you can learn like this. Plus cosec 30, sin 30 is reciprocal, that is 2. Numerator is 1 upon root 2 and denominator has also a fraction root 3. So 2 plus 2 root 3. Solve by the rule of fraction. You will get root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Rationalize or direct you can write 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. 2 root 2 plus root 2 into root 3 is root 6, class 9th, you know very well. Rationalizing the denominator, because denominator you will try to 2 root 2, or first you take common, 2 is common here, root 3 upon 2 common, then root 2 plus root 6. So rationalize the denominator by the rule of this 9th standard. Just opposite sign, root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus root 6 multiply by root 2 minus root 6 and root 2 minus root 6. So you are getting root 3 root 2 minus root 6 in numerator, and here root 2 into root 2, 2 square, root 2 square minus root 6 square, a square minus b square by the identity a plus b, a minus b. So what is the answer here? Root 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 2 minus 6. Numerator you multiply, 3 2 ja 6, root 6 minus root 18 upon 2 into minus 4. So your answer is root 6 minus 9 2 ja 18, 3 root 2, 3 9 square root, rationalizing, 9 2 ja 18, square root of 9 is 3, 3 root 2 upon minus 8. So minus you take in the numerator, so it will be 3 root 2 minus root 6. Reverse, upon minus 8 and both the minus cancel. Your final answer is 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. You can break any place, it depends on you. Main part is this. From here it is a 9th standard calculation. That you are doing. From here 9th standard. Now you see the fourth part of the question. Fourth. What is the fourth part? Question number 1, fourth part. Fourth part is given sin 30 plus tan 45. Sin 30 plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 degree whole upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. It is your question. Now, sec sin 30. What is the sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. Cosec 60 is 2. Do you know? Cosec 60. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. sec 30, 2 by root 3. Sec 30 means cos 30 reciprocal, plus cos 60. What is the cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cot 45 is 1. Cot 45 is 1. Now these tables I am telling you, but you will get it from the table. You draw a table and place and then you learn it. Take the LCM in numerator. 2 under root 3 is the LCM. So what will you get here? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. This is in the numerator. Denominator, 2 root 3 is the LCM. What will you get here? 2 to the 4 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. It is in the... So you are getting 2 plus 1, 3 root 3 minus 4 in the numerator, and 2 plus, and these 2 will be cancelled, and denominator 2 plus 1, 3 root 3 plus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4 there and 3 root 3 plus 4. So rationalize it. Rationalize means denominator's opposite sign. Minus 4 in the both you multiply. So you are getting 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. A plus b, a minus b whole square apply. 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab means 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 root 3 upon 27 minus 16. So 7 plus 6, 3, 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So it is your answer, 43 minus 24 root 3 root 11. So that's all for today. Fifth part and rest of the exercise I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.